Break. Alright, I'm going to be showing y'all how to get your dog to turn on and off a light switch. First thing you need is a handheld light switch. And you need to have already taught your dog to give you its foot. Okay? Bless her heart, she just said that she just wouldn't have to put her foot up. Break. We'll go ahead and break her. Alright, foot. Good job. Whoop, my clicker didn't click. This happens. Break. And you're back over here. Ala. Ready? Foot. Good job. As soon as that foot touches it, you're going to click and treat it. Out of foot. Good job. Out of foot. Good job. Anywhere on it, as long as her foot's on it. Foot. Good job. Out of foot. Yes. Out of foot. Good girl. Now, eventually we'll change the word foot to something else, but right now, you see when they turn it on like that and they actually get it, she's got it flipped on, just flip it upside down where she'll turn it off this time. But good job, went right off. Good girl. And break.